technology revolution broadens our imagination. Every step brings brilliant change and innovation. We strive to fulfill the aspirations for advanced technology, create a convenient and easy lifestyle, leading technology toward a better future. Founded in 2001, WinWay Technology has grown with customers through continuous breakthroughs and innovations. As a worldwide leader in IC testing interface, WinWay offers comprehensive services ranging from engineering simulations, testing interface, wafer tests, to semiconductor IC testing, providing customers one-stop procurement services. WinWay's widely acclaimed coaxial sockets come with special product framework designs that effectively reduce noise interference during tests. Our integrated PCB designs also meet the specifications and requirements for high-speed transmission. Our pioneering HyperSocket uses unique patented designs to effectively reduce component wear, thereby improving current capacity and prolonging probe lifespan. As IC becomes even more diverse and increasingly complex, WinWay's ability to develop vertical probe cards with optimized structural design and patented probes can provide more reliable test results. At the same time, we also satisfy customers' need for high frequency, high speed, and high current tests. In terms of advanced packaging and high-power IC applications, WinWay provides ultra-high power temperature control solutions. Our innovative flow channel design and multiple temperature settings can precisely control the requirements for ultra-high power tests. In addition, the versatile cross-platform design can be used to test numerous machines. WinWay has launched the world's first silicon photonics wafer-level CPO double-sided probing system, breaking barriers in high-frequency, high-speed, and temperature control. Integrated with automated precise calibration, this system delivers a comprehensive testing interface solution for co-packaged optics technology. To meet the market's diverse demands for high-speed transmission, WinWay has established a professional and advanced high-frequency laboratory equipped with various high-precision measurement equipment and simulation tests. On top of reliable and consistent performance, by integrating software and hardware and optimizing test designs, we also provide trustworthy, exceptional product functions and market competitiveness to customers. Our continuous improvement and growth have allowed us to set industry-leading benchmarks. Our proprietary technical competency and understanding of critical core technologies have strengthened high-quality product competitiveness. By relying on solid technical skills, we work alongside customers to unlock endless opportunities in technology. Founded in Taiwan, WinWay has established service centers and operational hubs in China, Malaysia, and North America. Our strong patent portfolio offers globalized product services and technical support. Driven by customer need and commitment, we serve customers wherever they go, and our goal is to be a reliable partner, thriving together with our customers. WinWay remains committed to advancing corporate sustainability. We have joined the development initiative for net zero emissions with our supply chain, and ESG continues to be a driving force in our progress as we aim to fulfill development goals related to harmony and happiness. A leading brand in IC testing interface, WinWay will continue to strive toward rapid and intelligent possibilities through pioneering and innovative products and services.